Hi everybody. So today I wanted to do an unboxing for you, and this is from my only subscription box that I get. It is from the SeeNew company, and this is what the box looks like. So you see it's SeeNew, SeeNew, and they have a subscription service where you get to try out products from companies you may not have heard of before. All the boxes I've received are companies that have been new to me, and the value of the box is usually close to, sometimes over $200. And you can customize your subscription to 3 products or 4 products, so your price will depend on what you choose. I choose to get 4 products, and my price that I have is grandfathered in before they raised prices. So I get my box for, I think, $39 every 2 months. So that's less than $20 a month, which I think is a fantastic deal. So this month, this is the March-April box. So I'm unboxing. I haven't tried these yet, but I wanted to share this with everybody. So the March and April is from a company called The Ritual, and I will be unboxing these and show you what we got. So everything is packaged in tissue very nicely. And then it is also in a little an additional packaging, which it makes it very nice, because most of the packaging is all glass bottles. Most of these products are kind of holistic, clean beauty products. So let me share with you what we got for this box. And this one says it is a tea. It's called Immunity. And it says on this, it is full of potent organic ingredients to help immunity support function of the body. And it comes in a nice package. I can't tell if they're tea bags or loose tea. I think it's tea bags. I don't want to open it just in case it's loose tea, but one of my daughters has a cold right now, so I'm going to give this to her this afternoon. And let me see if I can read some of the ingredients. Okay, it says Amalia fruit, organic echinacea. Oh, that'll be perfect for a cold. Organic articum, don't know what that is. Burdock root, mentha, spearmint, organic ginger root. Oh yeah, this will be great for a cold. Lemongrass and ashwagandha. Oh, it is in tea bags. So this is perfect timing for me to unbox this, so I can give one to my daughter. And the second thing in the box, oh, it smells, something smells really good in here. I think it might be this. Okay, so this is called, okay, this is called Imperfectly Perfect, a multifunction bar with a combination of Ayurvedic herbs and oils, perfect for chilly mornings. Okay. It looks like this. It smells really good. Let me take this out of the box and take a peek at this. You can see this is a true unboxing. Okay, so this is a bar soap. The smell is just so good. I can't wait to try this. I will just use it on my body. I don't think I'm going to use it on my face, just because I really like my skincare right now. But let me see what I could see. It says olive fruit oil, cotton oil, linseed oil, sesame oil, red clay, turmeric, citrus, and clove. I think it's the clove that smells so, so good in this. So I'm excited to try that. And the third item is, I might have got the company wrong. I think the company actually is called UMM, because that's what it is saying on these packaging. So I apologize about that. So this one is a hand and body butter. It says a harmonious blend of uncompromising luxury for your everyday moments. Okay, so let's see what this is. Right off the bat, I can see it's whipped and very thick. Doesn't have too much of a scent. And I would say it's more like a balm because it's kind of melts. It's not greasy. I could tell that right away. Oh yeah, it sinks right into your hand. This is really good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me look at the ingredients. See what I can recognize. And this writing's really small. I don't know if I can even read this with my magnifying glass. So the first ingredient is aloe juice, shea butter, emulsifying wax. I see sunflower. The ingredients list is pretty long on this, so I'm not going to bore you guys reading it all. But I could tell you right off the bat, it is very, very luxurious feeling. And it's a really big tub. I think it says 6 ounces, but I'm not sure. Their writing's really small on this, so I apologize about that. And then the last item in the box, see, they're all wrapped in this nice paper as well. The last item is, oh, it's even triple wrapped. So that's really, really good packaging. You can see this is a true unboxing. Okay, oh wow, look at this body oil. It has gold flecks in it. So this one is called body oil. And it says on the little description sheet, it says, provides nourishment for the entire body, face, and scalp. Oh, that's interesting. And can I read any ingredients here? Sorry that I have to use this, but the writing is really, really little. And because there's the gold flecks, it's kind of hard to tell, but I see almond oil, jojoba oil, safflower oil, grapeseed oil, I do believe, ashwagandha, geranium, and ylang ylang. So this sounds so nourishing and luxurious. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So that's what we got in the March-April box. And I'm excited now that I showed them. I'm going to start using these. I'm a little bit behind in doing my reviews on the boxes. But anyway, this is for March, April. And so the next box we'll be getting will be May, June. So that'll be the next time I will be showing these. But I'll probably do an update on, you know, what I liked about these. I don't see anything not to like any about these. These all look really, really fabulous. And this is the first box that they've actually had like more body care. Usually it's facial care. And if you're interested in learning more about the products, you can go to the SeeNew website, and they do list everything more in detail. If you're interested, you can use a discount code, Julia20. I'll link that below. I don't make anything. It's just a discount code that they gave me, but I love this company, and they do support women in their community. So go ahead and check them out. And I hope that everybody is doing well. And leave a comment and say hi below, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.